Good morning, guys. Another conversion from this one's from a laser cut file. Not many pieces to put together there. Those bits are stuck down well. Okay. Well, I was hoping to put them together straight away, but they will need a bit of filing to get them to fit. Right, there we go. Just a tiny little bit of trimming with the needle files. I think it was just the elephant's foot that was making them a bit too tight. There we go. Messerschmitt. I don't normally bother to do this, but this is version 2, and I've made some very minor adjustments to the sides of the holes to make it a looser fit. I say very minor, we're talking tenths of a millimetre. Yeah, that's all fitting. Let's see if we can get the tail in. It's the elephant's foot needs trimming off a bit. Yeah, I could have still made that a little bit smaller still, because that doesn't want to go in there. Oh, that's annoying. I don't really want to do a third version. So a few minutes with a needle file will be fine. I was trying to get it so I didn't need the needle file. If I do a close-up, I'll show you what I'm talking about, the elephant's foot. I'm not sure if you can see there, but that top edge should be flat, and you see it's nothing like flat. It's got a point to one end, or one side. That's what's called an elephant's foot. It's where it spreads down on the build plate, and then it tightens up a little bit above that. I don't know if that's visible or not. Well, there we go. A few seconds with a needle file just to trim that up a bit, and we're in. I don't think I'll bother printing a third version. It does depend on how you do the settings on your printer or on your slicer. If you set it up to counteract the elephant's foot by giving the first layer a negative input, then that would cure it anyway. I'll just go close up again. You'll see the very tip of the nose there is actually, if we can get it in focus, oh, there we go, it's actually concave. So you've got the elephant's foot, and then it's bending out again. So if you imagine that when you've got a very tight tolerance for the hole at the tail there, that little bit spreading is enough to cause the problem. I have to do a little bit more to show you. I'll put the engines on backwards. That's the right way round. With the longer bit at the front, not at the back. That'll probably upset a few people. Never mind. It means I'll get a few extra comments.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave me a comment so I know how I'm doing.